come on the floor with me. This is my outfit right now. A shirt I cropped, also got it from Urban a while ago. A mini skirt from Zara. Here we go. Got my fabric scissors. Alright, so I haven't even tried these on yet, but I feel like this is gonna be pretty simple, so I'm not going to. I'm going to make sure my leg is completely straight. Whoops, whoops, whoops. I want to see that seam, you know? You know what I'm wearing right now? Biker shorts that I cut in about 30 seconds on my YouTube channel. So welcome to summer. All we're doing is cutting up our leggings and our crop tops, and we're making trends. Okay, family. No, not gonna do that. Okay, so this is what happened. I was painting and the camera died, but when I'm creating, there is no stop. The camera died. So this is so far the progress I have made without you, babe. The progress I have made without you, babe. The sleeve. So, see you later, alligator.